Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Welcome to this class. This is class for her series. So the first thing I want to do is to show you how you can download her from Google and how you can install it. So go to your address bar, click on google.com, and then your search, of course, in search bar, download the latest R. That's as I put it. After that, you press enter, you see search results. So you can right click on the first one. When you click on the first one, you download her 4.4.2 for Windows. Click on it. The dialog box will appear. Click on save. Speed of your internet will determine how fast the setup will download. So you can wait for the setup to be successfully downloaded. I can click here. I think I've downloaded it. So you can click a open dialog. There will be another request to ask if you want to proceed. Yes or no. So you click on yes to proceed. For the installation English, yes. Next, yes. The folder we would like to install, yes, because I've installed before for you. If you are doing it for the first time, there will not be this dialog box. It kind of this will not you will not be asked for this. So because I've installed before, so I can just say yes. Next. So after that, click on finish. So the next thing is to check. So click on the window. Just click on the window from your keyboard. Click on the window. Yes, click on the window button. And do that, you can scroll. Look for R. This is R. Click. So this is R. This is R. So this is how to download and install her on your system. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell to get alert for our subsequent uploads. See you in the next class. Thank you for watching.